Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So friends, if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. Our mission at Designing with Latisha McKinney is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you like what you see, we would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time we upload, you will be the first to know. Good afternoon, people. So what I am doing, I have a dilemma. I do not know, let me fix that, to use the glass seed beads, and I want to use them right here on the steer. And let me straighten it out. I don't know to use them on the back part right here because I know I used these in 2016, but I don't want to buy any more of like those there. I don't want to buy any more because those things like $16.99. I'm not buying any more. So I don't know to use like mix in the glass seed beads and with like some fine glitter. You get the other like fine glitter that I have like right here. Yeah, these are from the Dollar Tree, and also these are from the Dollar Tree too. But that's what my dilemma is, because I only have like one time to do this. Although I have two of them, I don't want to mess it up because I can be extra like dramatic. Like I don't want to mess these up. So I don't know, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Should I just go with these or mix it in with some silver glitter? Because you guys know my colors this year. And these are the colors that I'm going with. I know it's a lot of colors, but hey, it's my house. It's my decor. Like I told you guys, it's yours. Just do what you want to do. It is yours. So that is what I'm facing right now because I want it to blend in with everything else. So I don't know, y'all let me know down below what you think, if you guys have any ideas, because I really don't want to mess it up. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I don't think I'm gonna post up anything else today unless I think of something, because you know my mind is always going with DIYs. All right, y'all,